projection of any segment AB on x-axis. Say very simple it is, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. If you drop the perpendicular from A on x-axis, this point is P. If you drop the perpendicular from point B on x-axis, this is say point Q, then this segment is equal to x2 minus x1, and this is called projection of AB on x-axis. To understand this concept, say this is three-dimensional. Say this is origin, this is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this one is z-axis. Alright? If I take any segment, for example, if I take this point, this is AB. So if I drop the perpendicular from A point on this and from B point on this, so this segment is called PQ, है ना? A से डाल दीजिए इधर, B से डाल दीजिए इधर. This is A, so this point is A, this point is B. So this segment is called projection. Similarly, if you drop the perpendicular from this point on y-axis, from this point on y-axis, then this segment is called projection of AB on y-axis. Similarly, if you drop the perpendicular from this point on z-axis, from this point on z-axis, then this segment is called projection. So projection on y-axis is y2 minus y1, projection on z-axis it is z2 minus z1. These are called projections of any segment AB on x, y and z. कॉन्सेप्ट इमेजिन करिए दिमाग में, क्लियर समझ में आ रहा है प्रोजेक्शन का.